Bosch Dishwasher Error Code E09 Fix. If your Bosch dishwasher shows error code E09, it usually means there's a problem with the heating system, most commonly a faulty heating element. It can also be caused by a malfunctioning thermostat, loose wiring, or a clogged filter. Start with a basic reset. Turn off the dishwasher, unplug it, wait for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Sometimes that clears the error. If it doesn't, here's what to check. First, remove and clean the filter. A clogged filter can interfere with heating and trigger E09. Then inspect the heating element for damage or signs of burning. Check the thermostat and make sure it's properly connected. Look at all wiring connections around the heater and thermostat. Make sure nothing's loose, broken, or corroded. Also inspect the bottom of the unit for leaks or moisture buildup, which can lead to faults. Important: always unplug the dishwasher before touching any internal parts. And if you're unsure or the error continues, it's best to contact a qualified technician. You can also check your Bosch manual or visit their website for model-specific help.